school cool.
We're too cool for school. Hey
Hi.
guys, we are bringing you a back to school snack idea. I actually regularly eat these. I absolutely love it. It's dates, some nut butter, and you could always use sunflower seed butter as a nut-free alternative. And then my girl Harmony's granola here. So we're gonna put this together. You're gonna see how quick and simple it is. I think it's it could be breakfast, it could be a snack you send in the lunchbox. It also could be good for you as you're running out the door and need some energy to get the kids to school.
Absolutely. And it could be a little dessert as well because it's nice and sweet because of the dates and everything.
Sometimes I add chocolate.
Yes, that's a must. A drizzle of chocolate on it.
So what is our first step today?
So we're just gonna grab our dates. I love these ones from Trader Joe's.
Like
these are my favorite.
I like them a jewel dates.
Same.
They're like just thicker and like softer.
Yes.
I don't like when I bite into a date and it's kind of like hard.
Yeah, I don't like these. I've tried a bunch of them and I was like, you know what? Let's just stick to what we know best.
Yeah.
And those are these.
Yeah, they're so good. I like those nice.
Should we use these ones?
Yeah.
Okay, let's use these ones. These are fun. These are so much funner.
Matching knife.
Yay! Okay, so we don't need this boring one. So we're just gonna grab a date each.
Oh, I'm gonna go for this.
I know, it's like there's so many sizes. Okay, so what you're gonna do is literally just split it down the center.
Okay.
Oh, that's probably smarter. Here I am cutting it in my hand.
Where's your first aid kit?
I know, where's my first aid kit? I don't think my hand model agency's gonna like that very much.
Oh my goodness.
Split as nicely
Harmony
as
in
I
her
wanted.
free time is a hand model because she's got amazing fingers.
Yes,
nails.
nails, hands.
Tell you?
No, I was like, it's the best compliment.
Don't want her to cut her hands.
Yeah, so we're just gonna, I totally messed this up. I got
Don't
distracted.
hurt the moneymaker.
Not the money makers. Okay, so here we go. And then, so you're not gonna cut it all the way down.
Right. So
You're
like
just,
a sandwich.
Yeah, a little
like
sandwich. How cute.
Slice of bread.
Yeah,
Okay.
perfect. Which one do you want to
I'm
use?
gonna do peanut butter.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to use almond butter. Again, Trader Joe's.
I know,
It's my favorite.
Ooh, this looks so good.
So, okay.
Most of our recipes include peanut butter.
Butter and almond butter. Can you tell we're obsessed
Yeah.
with it? Okay. So you're just going to put a dabble of almond butter or whatever butter that you want to. And it's perfect because the consistency is thick. So anything can really stick to it. I feel like it just kind of holds it in there. Yes. We are going to grab the original granola.
Yum.
And I think it's the perfect complement. I have this little tiny spoon here.
I love
grab
small
it.
utensils.
I do too.
I have a thing about them.
Anything mini, I am here for. So here you go.
Wow, this
sorry.
is crazy. This literally only took like 60 seconds.
Yeah,
to make.
it's the easiest thing in the world. It is effective. It's an energy bite.
It is. Cheers.
Cheers. And that's it.
Do we just go one
I think just
bite?
one bite,
Okay.
yeah.
So good.
It's soft and it's crunchy and it's all stuck on my teeth.
I love how quick this was.
This was like 2 minutes.
Yeah.
There's no
And
measurements.
we were still struggling.
Yeah, and I still couldn't get the cut right on my date. But yeah, it takes literally 2 minutes. You can pack it in your child's lunchbox, in your lunchbox. I would just say if you have multiple layers, parchment paper, again, our best friend, layer it because it will stick together. So it just makes it a little bit easier to do.
Well, guys, thank you, Harmony. For
You're
this
so
fun
welcome.
back-to-school snack
Of
idea.
course.
And let us know if you guys try it and if you make any like fun modifications. Maybe use like cashew butter or something.
Yes.
And I'm going to link her granola in the comments or the description below so that you can shop it and support our women-run business right here. Bye, guys.
Bye.